Welcome to our business process automation for Costco M&R pre-repair photo download. The process automation is done with UiPath RPA, which interacts with the UI, simulating user mouse clicks and keystrokes. Data pre-processing has been done by smart algorithms to summarize a list of container numbers whose photos to be downloaded. HTML tags underlying the various web page elements are carefully analyzed and embedded in Python code. The UiPath bot automatically navigates to the relevant tab estimate of repair. The container number is input into the search box, and the download button is clicked. Once the zip folder has been saved, the page is automatically refreshed, the cache is cleared and prepared for the next container. Time delays have been programmed due to the dynamic nature of data downloading and latency of the depot management system. These time delays allow the bot to smoothly transition from page to page and in between mouse clicks. The bot is coded to iterate through the list of container numbers, and the next container number is similarly input into the search box. The main benefits of business process automation with RPA include productivity and efficiency gains, accuracy and precision in execution, scalability and extensibility of code. Business rules are translated to code logic for consistent execution. Time-consuming and routine tasks are automated and human errors are eliminated. Human employees are freed to focus on core value-added business objectives. A message is displayed after the automated process has been completed. The number of containers whose images are downloaded are indicated. Comprehensive log files are created with each automation run to log any exceptions that may arise during execution. This allows for easier tracing for causes of exceptions and quicker resolution of issues.